What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel, Couch Potato Family, and today you're here with your boy Rob Lucci and my boy Eddie Kane.
What up, family? It's the first, but it won't be the last.
You know what I'm saying? He's here today, and we about to get into this Cardi B versus a security guard. The security guard claimed that Cardi jumped on him, or whatever the case may be. She's trying to sue for somehow 40 million or whatever it's supposed to be. We about to get into this. Like, comment, subscribe. We trying to do this with you. We can't do this without you, so let's all just do it together. And we're going to get into this Cardi B drama right goddamn now.
Please raise your right hand. Please solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. May I please
So
have you
here
see and
today?
spell your first and last name for the record?
Yes, my name is Emani Ellis. Last name is Ellis.
Emani Ellis.
And that's her.
That's the security guard.
The security guard from where?
That's supposed to got her ass whooped.
For the record, how old are you?
32.
February 24th, 2018, what were you doing?
I was at work on duty as a security guard.
Where were you?
The address of the building was 8920 Wilshire Boulevard.
And for how long had you been working as a security guard as of 2018?
For 4 years.
And what did it take to become a licensed security guard?
You have to get fingerprinted and it's sent to the state of California for approval.
And do you have any criminal record?
No.
Could you become a security guard if you have a criminal record?
No.
Have you ever assaulted and battered anybody in your lifetime?
No.
Were you
Media lie.
using your telephone to take photographs of the defendant when you saw her exit the elevator?
No.
So, if you could just tell us in your own words, when you got to the 5th floor, you were doing your rounds, and you saw Cardi B, what did you say?
I said something along the lines of, that looks like Cardi B, or wow, that's Cardi B.
Were you talking to anybody at that time?
No.
You're sure?
Yes.
Were you entering the elevator?
I was, yes.
Did you actually go inside the elevator?
I did, yes.
And did Cardi B exit the elevator?
She did, yes.
Okay, and then what happened?
After she heard me say her name, she turned back around, and the first thing out of her mouth was, excuse my language, was, why are you telling people that you seen me? At this time, I tried to calm her down and assure her that I didn't tell anyone that I seen her, and she was extremely upset.
And what did she tell you after that?
Then, excuse my language again, but she said, yes, the did, and then she put her finger in my face.
When she put her finger in your face, did she have long fingers?
She did.
And approximately
Pause.
how long was the
Pause.
finger?
Alright. So now you about to say she poked in the eye.
Or
What finger?
scratched her face or some bullshit with a long nail,
Oh.
causing her to have injuries.
Alright. Let's see where that's going. Let's see where that's going.
On the day
He's trying to
she
paint
put
the
the
narrative.
finger in.
He's taking the
About
title
2
right.
to 3 inches long.
When you have seen different,
The thing is, let's see how long her nails is right now in the courtroom with short hands.
pictures and videos of Cardi B, you notice that she has long fingernails in those videos and photographs.
Yes.
When you saw her today, did you notice that her fingernails were very short?
Yes.
Does she usually wear them that short? Objection.
Objection.
Have you seen, well, strike that. For how long, were you a fan of Cardi B before this incident?
I was.
What kind of fan were you?
I enjoyed her music. I was interested in going to a concert. I didn't have any problem with her.
Did you ever go to see her in concert?
I had tickets to go to see her, but I never went after this incident.
When were you supposed
That's
to
a
go
lie.
see her in concert?
I'm not sure of the date. It was sometime in 2018.
Because it's a lie. You had the tickets, you would have known.
And you're very close with your grandmother, Diane Schmidt, is that correct?
Correct.
How old is your grandmother?
She's 79.
Did she have information about this incident, objection? Also, your grandmother, the scar on your left cheek after February 24th of 2018?
Could you repeat the question, please?
Did you show the cut on your left cheek after February 24th of 2018 to your grandmother, Diane Schmidt?
Yes.
And what year were you born?
1992.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I'm the oldest of 5.
And your grandmother has seen you regularly from birth up to the present time?
Yes.
What about your mother? Did you live with your mother up until a certain point?
Until the age 19.
Did you sustain?
He's trying to get to saying the grandmother always know what you look like her whole life. This is your differences in your face since the incident. We have a person that can identify you before and after the ass whooping.
Yeah.
That's lawyer shit. He trying to get the jury to see, oh, these little
Yeah,
dinky
get him the fuck
signs.
outta
He
here.
gotta go. He ain't doing a good job.
Yeah, he's not doing a good job at all.
Any, well, straight. Let me take you a little bit back to the incident. When you were at the building and Cardi B exited the elevator on February 24th, 2018, what were the words that she used that were so hurtful?
She used a lot of words, and again, excuse my language, but she was like, I'm gonna beat you, I'm gonna get you fired.
Things she probably really said.
That's why you do security. That's why you do security. She was sticking her tongue out. She was flailing her arms up and down. She was jumping up and down. Body shaming
Good.
me. I mean,
Good. What does that got to do with her
racial
putting her hands on you?
slurs,
She can say whatever
just
she wants.
a lot.
Did she spit on you?
She did.
Did her spit actually land on your body?
It did.
Calm down.
Why did you exit the elevator?
Why
soon
did it-
after she?
Why did it start? Because she said, "Don't look at me," so she got,
fanned out.
and so she just wilded out on you and spit on you. Get out of here.
Said what she said.
I wanted to clarify the misunderstanding.
Did you also want her to leave because she was causing a disturbance?
At that time, she was causing a disturbance. She was yelling and screaming, and I did want her to leave.
And as a security guard, were you working there as an extension of the owner to be able to make that kind of call, whether somebody should be told to leave because they're causing a disturbance?
Objection, leading my foundation.
No foundation.
Could you repeat the
Sustained.
question, please?
I'm going to ask you
They
this.
gotta ask you a different question.
Did the landlord hire you as a security guard to protect its building?
Yes.
And did you do that?
Yes.
For how long?
For about 4 years.
During those 4 years, did you ever have a problem with anybody else?
Never.
Not one time.
Not as far as I can remember, no. Not a perfect employee, but a good employee.
Why they not showing her?
Did the defendant take a swing at you?
She did.
When she took a swing at you, it didn't hit your body, right?
No.
After the incident happened, were you intending to sue?
No.
Is that why you didn't take photographs? You're saying? Why didn't you take photographs of the cut to your face or any injury you sustained after the assault and battery?
Objection, lacks foundation, argument.
Repeat the question, sir.
Why did you not take photographs of the scar after the incident?
I was upset. I was a lot going on. Not sure.
She lying.
You didn't take pictures of the scars right
She
after.
lied.
Cardi B just attacked me. I'm trying to get this bag. I'm not gonna take pictures though.
Anybody with their right mind gonna take the pictures. And you was a security guy on duty. On
Duty. Top flight security of the world, Craig. Not on duty.
Incident report
Not
must be written.
not on duty.
And you were not intending to sue, is that correct?
No.
Were you intending to sue Cardi B at that moment when the incident occurred?
No, I was not.
What you talking about? Lying.
Where's the security footage?
Right.
You work
In
there.
addition to being a security guard, did you have interest in criminal justice?
Yes.
What were the classes that you took or were going to take?
I got my bachelor's degree in criminal justice administration.
And after this incident, did you continue in that path?
I chose a different career field.
What is your current career at this time?
I work in social services.
What do you do? Who do you work with?
I work with low-income families to access resources. Did Miss Cardi B, after this incident, post different things about you to her fans? She did it.
Any different instances?
Probably about 2.
And did you do the same thing back to her?
Never.
After the incident, did you
Tight.
seek medical treatment from a psychologist, Nicole McKenzie?
Yes.
And that was approximately 2 months after the incident?
Correct.
What did Dr. McKenzie do for you?
She provided therapy, counseling therapy.
Was it helpful?
I believe it was at the time.
Before the incident, did you ever have any type of psychological or psychiatric medical treatment?
Something happened with my sister and a neighbor. My family was given therapy on behalf of that. That was all I can recall.
And how long ago was that before the incident?
Over 10, 15 years ago, before the incident.
So approximately what year was that?
I'm not sure.
And was there a gap February 24, 2018?
It was.
Black Foundation calls for medical.
Sustained. Please disregard the prior answer.
Did you go to Nicole McKenzie because you were assaulted and battered on February 24th of 2018 by Cardi B? Objection.
Overruled.
Answer? Yes.
Did you go there for any other reason?
No.
So now she went and
And
seek help because she
Around
got
that
harassed.
time, did you also seek medical
months
treatment
later.
from Dr. John Scher?
I did.
And he's a cosmetic plastic surgeon? Or
He is.
was?
He was, yes.
Is it your understanding that he died in 2021?
Yes.
And when you saw him, did he advise you that you needed to wait at least 1 year to determine if the cut became a scar? Objection?
Hearsay
Cuts became
and
a scar. Scar.
Why don't you rephrase the question?
Phrase that shit.
Did Dr. Scher ask you to return approximately 1 year after he saw you for the first time?
He did.
Why did he ask you to wait 1 year?
Objection calls for speculation.
Do you know why he asked you to wait for a whole year before seeking medical treatment?
Objection, Black Foundation.
He said he didn't want to treat it prematurely and for me to come back.
Did the scar become a keloid?
It made a scar, yes.
Do you know if it's called a keloid or you're not sure?
I'm not sure if it's called a keloid.
Before the incident of February 24th, 2018, did you have any scars to your left cheek?
Never.
Did you have any scars anywhere on your
Never.
face? At some point, well, straight. Do you remember the pandemic in April of 2020?
I do.
You remember that there was a period of time where elective medical treatment was not allowed?
Yes.
What about the cost of the treatment? Could you afford to pay $15,000, $20,000 to get plastic surgery to your face?
No.
Did Dr. Mulliken agree to treat you on a lean basis?
He did.
And when you got medical treatment on a lean basis, is it your understanding that regardless of the outcome of the case, you still owe Dr. Milliken the fees for the treatment that he did? Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Did you also see a pain management doctor for one visit?
I did.
Did you also treat with different psychologists, including Alex, Avila, and other?
Here's the problem though. If I'm on a jury, you could do all of this shit. Go see all these doctors, do all that shit you're doing. But if you didn't do it immediately, that could have came from your boyfriend beating you up for some bullshit, and now you want to blame Cardi later on.
Where's the pictures directly
Where is?
after?
Come on, man, you're cooked.
Doing all this bluffing. Where's these pictures?
You should have started with
directly
this shit first, and then be like, oh, well, how long
Where's the
ago?
security
You told us.
footage?
Come on, man.
That's my thing. Drop the footage. They
We
got
got a lot
cameras
of-
in the building,
It's gonna
right?
be she said, she said. Whose side do you want to believe? Do we want to give this girl $40 million to believe this
At the
bullshit?
same time, Cardi might have beat that bitch up.
Treyway. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You
A
on
whole
bullshit?
lot of gang shit. If you ask me, it's the security guard fault. Bitch, you
It
should have
is.
moved around.
You should.
This was your job.
Your fucking job.
You all over here fanned out.
Get outta here.
Cardi B. No.
And you know she a gangster. That's your problem. I mean, that's your problem from the jump. You should have remembered she was a gangster.
You know what I'm saying? Baby or not.
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question?
Did you seek treatment from psychologists, including Alex, Avila, and other psychologists from October 8, 22 through July 2nd of 23?
Correct, yes.
And for that psychological treatment, did Dr. Avila's office agree to treat you on a leave basis?
They did, yes.
For Nicole McKenzie, did you, were the medical bills totaling $5,087 from her office for medical treatment that you received related to this incident?
Objection. Leaving, Max Foundation.
Sustained.
Is it your understanding that your total medical bills related to this incident are $36,000?
With the foundation, we established what she was and how she was.
Even the judge, like, question that.
Did you receive medical bills at your home from these different medical providers?
I'm not sure.
Did some of the medical providers send you bills to your home?
I'm sure, yes.
Did some of the medical providers that I mentioned advise you of the amounts that they were charging you for their medical treatment?
Yes.
Was the medical treatment that you received from these medical providers beneficial to you?
It was.
Do you still suffer from psychological issues related to this incident? Objection.
Sustained.
Sustain. Can't answer that.
I do, yes.
The objection was sustained.
I'm sorry.
Sustained, Your Honor.
The judge says sustained, then you don't answer.
I apologize.
Pay attention.
How often,
Nah, she wouldn't play
since this incident of February 24th of 2018, how often do you see your grandmother, Diane Schmidt? And where does she live?
In Las Vegas?
And she's here today to testify on your behalf?
She is.
What's the point? My granny seen me.
Do you know how old your grandmother is?
Fucked up. She seen me after I was fucked up.
79?
Do you have respect for authority?
Yes.
Sustained.
Where does your grandmother live?
Las Vegas?
Do you ever visit your grandmother in Las Vegas?
Yes.
And for what reason did you visit Las Vegas to visit your grandmother?
To check on her, she's a senior.
Do you take any medication or drugs?
No.
Do you drink alcohol regularly?
No.
Can you tell us a little bit about what your expectations are when you worked security at that building on February 24th of
My man
2018?
really sucked.
Are you asking me what were my duties today?
What were your expectations? What was your expectation from visitors or guests who were
Why can't
Coming
you
to
get
that
to the
building
point
on
of
that
why
day.
Cardi went crazy?
when you worked security on February 24th of 2018? Did the owner hire you to do security for them?
Yes.
And why did they hire you?
Objection, cause for speculation, that's foundation.
She said back like she a mafia boss. Because my lawyers is cooking this shit.
And after this incident, you decided to discontinue working as a security guard. We're not blaming it on the incident, but we're saying that, I want to be clear, that after this incident, you have decided that you're no longer going to work as a security guard, correct?
Yes.
And before the incident happened,
So
did
this
you
is
have
why
that
she's
intention, or did that?
She's traumatized now, so now she quit her job.
Oh, so she quit her
don't
job.
wanna-
She
don't
didn't
wanna-
get fired.
Yeah, she don't want to do this no more.
I ain't catch that
now-
because I was thinking some bullshit.
Now she's messed up in the head behind the situation. Okay, I get it now. Now you got problems, you got issues, you scared to work.
Scared to work.
You gotta go to a different field.
She was in a different field.
Okay.
Because little Cardi jumped on you.
Pregnant. Said she
Pregnant little Cardi.
Intention come about after the incident occurred?
Objection, compound.
It came after the incident. I had plans of promoting, moving up, definitely staying at that job.
Did you, well, strike that. Did you ever want to become a police officer?
Police officer.
I did.
Do you still want to become a police officer?
No.
And why is that?
I was deeply traumatized about what happened.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your trauma that you suffered from this incident?
Yes. I deal with anxiety, deal with depression. I have post-traumatic stress. I have a scar on my face. I deal with insomnia. Things like that.
Do you believe that the incident,
I mean, your dreams, if you close your eyes, you
Are
go
you
to the
single
TV,
at
you
this
see
time?
my ass again.
were you single at the time of the incident?
I'm not sure.
Do you believe that this incident has an effect on your future ability to have a partner?
Objection, that's foundation, calls for expert testimony.
Do you expect Cardi B to pay for your medical bills?
Objection, irrelevant.
Your medical bills sustained. What you talking about?
Aside from calling you the N-word, spitting at you, taking a swing at you, cutting your face with her fingernails,
Oh.
is there anything else that she did on February 24th, 2018 to you?
Did she stop you
Can I
out?
think of another lie?
I mean, the whole incident was super traumatizing for me. She did a lot that day.
She did a lot.
Did she ever apologize for what she did?
Never.
Why?
Did you want her to apologize?
Of course.
Why would you want that?
Thank you.
Alright, so that was the security guard's testimony. Now we're about to get into Cardi B's testimony. Let's see her side of the story.
I hope she eat them up, cause the lawyer for the security guard lady
he's gonna be questioning Cardi.
wasn't doing his job.
He about to question Cardi.
Oh man, he going down.
Cardi
Cardi about to eat that up.
about to take the stand
about to
against
eat that
this
up.
shit. Man, let's get into this, man.
Let me see.
Fuck.
Bring the call to defendant Cardi B as a hostile witness.
Mind you, this is day 2. She done changed her whole shit.
Okay, so she just popped out with a new headpiece.
You
Okay.
wasn't feeling that? Or you wasn't feeling the last one?
Yeah, that black one had to go.
We can throw this on.
This is better.
Please raise your right
This is
hand.
better.
Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give and the call now pending before this court shall be the truth, the
Going
whole
for the
truth,
mom
and
look,
nothing
you
but the truth, so help you God?
Humble.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hide all
Have
that
you seen
courage.
and spell your first and last name for the record?
My name is Beverly Hills.
May I please have you spell it?
L-M-A-N-Z-A-R.
Great, thank you. Can we take a seat, please?
Good afternoon, Ms. Almanzar. Do you prefer I call you Ms. Almanzar, Cardi B, or it doesn't matter?
I mean, you can call me Cardi B. Easy.
Cardi B. Calm down, man. Move on.
You feeling better today?
Maybe.
And I'll need you to speak up, man.
Yeah,
Hard to hear you.
yeah, a little better.
Your birthday is October 11, 1992.
Yes,
You're left-handed.
yes.
Are you the firstborn child?
To my mom.
This guy.
He's going in there like, I'm about to get the world's best interview. Not a court case. I'm about to interview Cardi B for the first time, so I better get all the answers that everybody want to know in the world. What's wrong with this dude?
This is how he does his job. They get paid the big bucks for this
They
shit.
get paid to do this?
They get paid the big bucks to do this shit.
This is easy work.
I could have paid a nigga like
You can
me.
pay a nigga like, this is easy work. Man, let's move on.
Did you take any medication, drugs, or alcohol that would affect your ability to testify today?
No.
On the date of the incident, did you have black hair, blonde hair, or different color hair?
I quite don't remember. I do know I had a hoodie on.
Yesterday you had black hair, short hair. Today it's blonde and long. Which one is your real hair? Or are they both real?
They're wigs.
Okay, sorry, I didn't know that. It's a good week today then.
It's a good one today. That he's getting the world's best interview.
Your fingernails, can you show them to us for all of us to see? How long are those fingernails? Just your best estimate. I don't want you to take a ruler to it, but if you were to give your estimate, is that half an inch, 1 inch, 2
I
inches?
think it has to be less than an inch.
And,
Way less than an inch.
can you show them to us again? All right. Are they pointy?
These are not, to me, are not pointy. They're like circle, oval,
Okay. Are those your real nails or are they fake nails?
fake nails.
If I wanted you to change them to 3-inch nails,
Mm-hmm.
how long would it take for you to do that right now?
Well, it really depends. Like these are like glued on, so they will be a little bit quicker. Sometimes I do acrylic, which could last me on for 2 weeks. I will literally have to take like 2 hours to melt them off if they're acrylically on.
On December 24th, 2018, do you remember going to 8920 Wilshire Boulevard in Beverly Hills?
December?
I'm sorry. February 24th of 2018. Do
Mm-hmm.
you remember going to 8920 Wilshire Boulevard?
Mm-hmm.
Get it together, man.
Yes.
Sir, what the yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Do you know Dr. Aziz Olai,
I know one.
who's in that building?
No,
Do you know Miss Parsi, who's in that building?
no,
Do you know Brianne Soraya, who's in that building?
no.
Who do you know in that building?
Well, at the time, I went to see Dr. Finke. I had an appointment with him that day. So that's who I went to see that day. Do I personally know him? No.
When you went to see him, were you seeing him as a friend or as a patient?
As a patient.
When you went to see him, it was a Saturday, correct?
Yes.
And you filled out an intake form and you signed some other documents that he would be your treating doctor, correct?
No, for that day, yes. I don't live in LA.
I understand. You came all the way from Atlanta, Georgia, right?
Jersey and Atlanta.
So when you went to see Dr. Finke on February 24th of 2018,
Mhm.
when you went to see him, you went to see him as a patient, correct?
Yes.
And you got medical treatment from him, whether it was for 1 minute or an hour or longer, correct?
Mm-hmm.
How much time did you spend?
You need to answer yes or no.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
Thank you, Your Honor. How long did you spend with the doctor that day?
I'll say about 25 to 30 minutes. Around that time. not that much.
And when you were there on that date with Dr. Finke,
Hmm.
Did he examine you?
Yes, he examined my
Oh.
baby for a little bit.
And what baby was that? What number?
Number 1.
Oh, that was the first child you ever had.
That's my first child, yes.
And you were 25 years old at the time.
Yes.
You're aware that plaintiff was the same age as you at the time?
No. No.
Besides examination, what did Dr. Finke do for you that day?
Excuse me. We're not here for her medical
He can't have his questions, they getting
Did you
it.
see her face? She was like,
Okay, so let your lawyer speak before you speak. Cause this
Bro,
dude
this
ain't
guy-
ready.
who is he?
You gotta think, that's her defense, and it's what she could afford. So he ain't no big. He's going against.
Did you keep Dr. Finke's...
Man, he lied.
Oh, sorry. Who referred you to Dr. Finke?
I asked somebody to find me like a very like upscale private doctor. So I was like, I need to go to the doctor's like tomorrow. Like I feel so weird. And they were like, we're gonna find somebody. And that's just how it goes.
When you were outside in the hallway, before you entered Dr. Finke's office, did you see this individual, Emani Ellis, in the hallway?
She was waiting for, she was right in front. As soon as the door of the elevator opened, she was waiting, I guess, for the elevator. She was going inside the elevator.
And you were coming outside of the elevator?
Yes.
Do you know approximately what time it was when this occurred?
About, I guess, like in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, around there. Yeah, 1 something.
Have you ever seen Dr. Finke either before or after February 24th of 2018?
No.
When you went to Dr. Finke's office, your security guard drove you there?
Yes.
And his name is Karan Newton?
He was my security guard. Yes.
Did you have more than one?
It depends, but he was just my main one, yes, at the time.
Did he go up with you to the medical appointment?
No, I didn't want him to know that I was going to an OBGYN.
You didn't want your security guard to know that?
No,
Why?
I don't. Well,
business.
first, I didn't want people to know that I was pregnant. Second, I was a little like, I don't want a guy that I work with to know I'm going to a vagina doctor.
Just shot
Did
your
you
own
trust your
question.
security guard?
In certain ways, yes. In certain ways, no. I don't know. Sometimes you just really don't trust everybody in your business. You don't want everybody in your business.
Do you remember what floor you were on when you exited the elevator?
The 5th floor.
At any time did your security guard come into the building after learning about there being some kind of incident in the building?
He was waiting for me, like, not necessarily like inside. He was like waiting for me, like by the exit, like by the door. Around there, yeah.
Like, do you remember the building?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Well, I kind of remember, but I do know that he was waiting for me by the door.
And you're talking about the lobby area where you
Yes.
take the stairs up?
Mm-hmm.
So he was inside the building or right outside?
I don't really recall, but he was like, maybe it wasn't the inside, it wasn't the outside, but he wasn't like in, like deep in. He was like waiting for me by the door. And the door, he had it open for me to come out.
All right. So would you consider that your security guard was with you at the time, whether it was upstairs, downstairs? In your mind, would you agree that your security guard was with you at the building? Is that fair?
Ridiculous.
Was your security guard with you in the lobby of the building at 8920 Wilshire Boulevard on February 24, 2018?
In the lobby, yes, when I was exiting. When I was
But
exiting.
He was in the lobby with you.
In the
right?
lobby. I can't say he was with me because we was leaving. He never went upstairs, so.
Okay. Do you know if your security guard, Karan Newton, spoke with Miss Ellis at any time that day?
He did not tell me he spoke to her at all.
Do you know if he did?
He told me he didn't. So I'm
Did
gonna
you
go
ask
with his
him?
word. No, because I was like, I told him like what happened upstairs. He was like, damn, I should have went upstairs. But he never told me that he spoke or seen her, so I wouldn't know.
You came to this courthouse with another fine gentleman, security guard, correct?
Yes.
And when you go to different places with your security guard, if an incident occurs where you're threatened, or you're injured, or anything happens,
Yes.
aren't they supposed to come help you?
What?
Man, chill, God.
When the incident occurred, did you call your security guard or send him a text message or do anything to let your security guard who was with you know that something happened where you wanted his help?
Objection, argumentative as to with you.
I told him like, yo, you wouldn't even believe what just happened upstairs. And he was like, what happened? And I practically told him like, I'll tell you later, like when I leave. I'm like, wait for me. But I told him like, wait for me downstairs, like by the door. And that's what I told him.
If you were in any danger, would you call your security guard, or would you call the police, or would you call both, or do nothing? Did you feel that you were in danger on February 24th, 2018, when you were upstairs on the 5th floor?
For like those 50 seconds, yeah. After I went to my appointment and like the argument just passed me, I didn't even mind it anymore.
Did your attorney show you a photograph of Dr. Finke to refresh your recollection as to who the doctor was that you saw on that date?
Yes.
And you had a different set of attorneys before, in 2022 and 2023.
His questions is just
Killing me.
They all over the
Oh,
place.
my God.
For two, they're not relevant.
They don't got nothing to do with what we need to get to. They're not helping the jury see the side of Cardi we want you need them to see. That's her being a violent, wild out.
You're not even trying to get to the incident of what took place. You keep skipping around it. Oh, you seen her when she opened the door when you got off the elevator, and then you go back to ask her a different question
about the doctor,
about the doctors, and all this weird.
Did they do the same thing?
No, they didn't.
So, do you know what's discovery?
Yes.
What are form interrogatories?
Oh, I don't know what that means.
What is special interrogatory?
I do not know.
What are
that
requests for admissions? You don't know, right? Is that fair? You don't know?
No.
You do know?
No.
Okay. And when your attorney responded to the written discovery on your behalf, did he or she show you the discovery response? Did they email you a copy of it?
I mean, I will have to see what you're asking me.
I will show it to you.
Can
Can I approach your honor? You show her the discovery only? Sure. Thank you, Your Honor.
Could you identify it, please?
Yes. I will show it to you. So for identification purposes, it is form interrogatories, set 1, dated September 30th of 2022.
You're telling me that's what it is?
That's what it is? Okay. Just coming to show you this document. You can take a look at these pages. Did your attorney show you those documents at any time in your life?
I'm not quite sure. I don't think so, no. Oh,
And I'm going to show you, with the court's permission, your responses, which were drafted and served on January 17th of 2023. May I approach you? We'll show you these documents as well.
Relevant.
You can take a look at those documents.
Look at it. You're scared of the camera. Look at it.
Do you ever remember receiving these documents from anyone, whether it was your attorney, the attorney's paralegal, a family member, anybody? Did they ever show you these documents when they responded on your behalf?
This one I saw. This one I saw.
Okay. You saw that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to go over it with you. On the one that you're on the right, if you can look at 12.1. You see the question 12.1? It would be, I believe, on the 6th or 7th page. And it will ask if there are any witnesses to this incident.
Well, can point it to me.
I'm sorry?
Point
Show
it
it
to
to you.
me. Yeah.
Can I approach on it? Under 12.1.
Mm-hmm.
Did your attorney ask you if there were any witnesses to this incident?
Yes.
All right, we're just gonna avoid attorney-client conversation.
Discovery issue that the subject.
Not a discovery issue, Your Honor. I'm asking her a question about if there's any witnesses, and it's for impeachment purposes. Okay, and if you look at the response, there's a response there in the 50-page document to your left. May I show it to her, Your Honor?
Right.
I want to ask you if this is your signature on page 47. Is that your signature?
It could be, because if it's like by electronic, that's how I sign, like.
And the question that I showed you, 12.1, just say, you want to read it or want me to read it?
You could read it.
State the name, address, and telephone number of each individual who witnessed the incident. This is A, so paragraph A. Or the events occurring immediately before or after the incident.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the question is.
Yes.
As you sit here today, is it your testimony that Dr. Finke is a witness to the incident?
Absolutely.
He is a witness.
Yes. She knows. She was there.
Is Dr. Finke outside speaking with you?
Outside where?
On February 24th, 2018.
Outside like.
In the hall.
Yes.
He came out of his office?
Yes.
Witness number 1, Finky.
And your response
Oh,
on
damn,
12.1, this is what you responded with your attorney's assistance. I won't hold you 100% at fault for it, but question, I withdraw, I apologize. The response is,
And this nigga don't know what the hell
He
he's
just
talking
got
about.
papers everywhere.
He all over the place.
Oh my god.
responding party incorporates by reference the preliminary statement and general objections set forth above. Subject to and without waiving the foregoing objections, responding party responds as follows. Responding party may be contacted through defendant's counsel. Emani Ellis may be contacted through plaintiff's counsel. And then it says unknown staff / employees at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, including at least 2 such persons who intervened during the incident. Discovery is continuing. Were you at Cedars-Sinai Hospital or Cedars-Sinai Medical Center when this incident occurred?
No.
Okay.
But to my knowledge, Dr. Finke works also for Cedars-Sinai, but we wasn't for Cedars-Sinai.
Is there any reason why your attorney or your prior attorney, yes, Your Honor?
Ken, we're not gonna say.
Quit that bullshit. Thank you, Your Honor. Where's Cardi's lawyer at? Like, y'all line of questioning.
And
So stand
At the time when you saw Dr. Finke, you knew his name at that time, correct?
I didn't know his name. And for a while, when I was getting asked by lawyers like his name and like the receptionist's name, I didn't know it because I saw him one time. So I kind of like just forgot about him.
But when your attorney asked you for the name for purposes of trial, then you did remember the name.
I didn't remember the name. I told him there was two witnesses, the receptionist and the doctor. I told him it was a doctor. My doctor came out at the time, the guy that checked me, and the receptionist. She knows. She was there. He was there.
Who knows?
The plaintiff.
Security
She knows.
guard.
How do you know she knows?
Because that's who separated. That's who separated and got in between us while we was verbally arguing.
Who got in between you?
The female receptionist, she came out first and she started like telling her, like, "You're security, what are you doing?" And then that's when the doctor came out. He was like, "Go to my office." And that's when I just walked away, and that was the last of it.
What sounds more believable though? That Cardi just snapped down and spit on this girl and then still went to the doctor's office, even though she spit on the security guard, the person that's been in this building for 4 years with y'all?
Watch what they say with the spit. She gonna be like she was talking and the spit came out. I'm traumatized.
State the name, address, and telephone number of each individual who you or anyone acting on your behalf claim has knowledge of the incident. You just testified that Karan Newton was downstairs in the lobby on the date of the incident. You also testified that you told him different things about the incident. What is the reason, this is the question, what is the reason you did not disclose Karan Newton's name in discovery?
Because he wasn't upstairs.
Action.
This characterizes the testimony.
Relax, Cardi.
It's
She ready to
the
fire on that nigga. Chill, Cardi.
Were you asked to provide the name of your
Going
security
nowhere
guard?
with this.
Your Honor,
Yeah, but why don't we, I don't know what you're trying to impeach her on, because she hasn't testified to anything.
You're not
You're saying it's
impeaching
impeachment, but
nothing.
you're not impeaching anything.
It's going in circles, going in circles.
Did you respond to special interrogatory set 1 through your attorney?
Your Honor.
All right, and the court's going to sustain its own 352. Why don't you move on?
Get him out of here.
You know, sit out.
Get him out of here. Just get him out of here.
He wasn't
Do you
ready.
consider
At all.
Karan Newton to be a witness in this case?
No,
Sustained. Counsel, I need you to move on. This case isn't about the
Same
subject.
question.
You might want to move on to what it is about.
Is Tierra Malcolm a witness to this case?
Counsel, please.
Oh man, get him out of
Do
here.
you know if
Get him out of
Can
here.
we sit
He
this
gotta
off?
go.
Break or
He gotta
resume
go.
at 3:55.
Crucify
Any
it.
time
He gotta
you
go.
want to discuss case with anyone, including
He
other
gotta
jurors,
go.
or
She
calling
gotta
your
find
peers
a
or doing any
lawyer.
research.
That other girl, she gotta find a lawyer. She could.
All right, and counsel, you want to resume your question?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
aside from Karan Newton, was there anybody else who drove with you to the building on February 24th of 2018?
no.
Do you agree that an incident occurred on February 24th, 2018?
It was a verbal incident. Verbal.
But it was an incident, correct?
Objection. Call this.
Oh,
I don't feel like, I personally feel like if there's no physical touch, there is no incident. There was a verbal altercation. If you think that that's an incident, a verbal altercation, then it's an incident for you. But we both have different opinions. It's a verbal altercation.
Good
Oh.
answer.
She didn't hit
Great
me, I
answer.
didn't hit her. There was no touch. So to
Trying
me, it
to
wasn't
trick
no
me into saying it's an
incident.
incident like it's a brawl.
Was there
We're gonna
spitting?
be clear.
Absolutely not.
Did you spit on
Clear.
Sally?
No,
Did you call her the N-word?
no.
What
They
is your
probably
background?
did.
Are you Hispanic, white?
All
anything
kinds of
else?
shit. We don't
My
care.
background?
Yes.
Well,
What's her background?
sustained.
Would you consider yourself
Same.
African American?
I consider myself
Don't
Afro-Caribbean.
answer that. You know,
This
he's
is
a
gonna be
thing.
a second to objection. What's your question?
Come on.
Relevant, yeah.
She called that girl everything out of her name. So what?
No.
When you say there was a verbal altercation,
Yes.
do you know what the word altercation means?
Like a conflict.
Like a fight, right?
It was, yeah, it was like a verbal fight, but it didn't get physical at all.
When I'm talking to you now, are we having a verbal altercation?
We having, we'll say, a debate.
We're debating about
It's over.
whether you
The champ is
assaulted
here.
and battered Miss Emani Ellis, correct?
It's no, well, I guess so, but I didn't touch her. She didn't touch me, so.
What proof do you have that you didn't touch her?
Objection, relevance, and also,
It's already been distinct.
Do you have any videos of the incident?
No.
Did you try to get videos of the incident?
I asked if there was videos, like I told them to, like I told my lawyers to check if there was videos, but there's no cameras, I guess, there was no cameras.
And when did you ask for that? What year?
I feel like when I got sued, I was like, when I got sued, I was like, oh, I know I didn't touch her. Like, it's like, look for them cameras, because they'll tell you, I ain't touching her.
That's Cardi.
Body language, though.
She ain't do it.
She didn't do it. She's keeping it
She
a
ain't
buck.
do it.
That's not a person that's lying on the stand, bro.
When I first heard about this, I'm like, I don't know, Cardi
Come on,
B.
you
open
just watched
shit.
the girl and the girl was all shaky, didn't know this, couldn't tell us that.
She ain't do it.
She didn't do it.
Cardi cussed her ass out.
She
Told her
cussed
to get
her
the
out.
fuck out the way.
Oh, you body shaper for sure.
Get your fat ass out the way.
Tongue out and
Go do your
everything.
job.
Ah.
Be the security guard.
You did all that
Ah.
shit.
You saw Emani-
But you didn't
Emani
touch her.
was there
She ain't touch her.
on the 5th floor. Was she wearing her uniform as a security guard?
Yes. Okay.
You remember?
Again, you might want to just take a breath so your attorney can object.
Are you aware that my office is across the street?
No.
Okay. 8920 Wilshire Boulevard. You remember that number? You agree that that's the correct number? The address.
I remember that I went there, but I don't really remember the address and stuff like that. I don't.
If I show you the building with the number on it, would that help refresh your recollection?
Yo,
Sure.
I don't have to really waste time if you don't want me to. When you were sitting here throughout the
wasting time the whole time.
What the
Yes.
fuck?
was that
Yes.
Like,
and
I
you
don't
remember
get it.
entering the building, going up some stairs, taking the lobby elevator, and going to the 5th floor,
Crazy.
right?
Yes.
And when you exited, you saw Emani Ellis right there in front of you.
Yes. No. When I exited the elevator, not the building, the elevator.
Correct.
Yes.
On the 5th floor.
Mm-hmm.
And there was 3 elevators there?
I do not remember that.
At
Relevance,
least
Your
two different
Honor.
elevator bays?
I don't remember that. I just remember me getting out the elevator. She was coming in. I was coming out. I could hear her. She was talking on the phone, and she said, "Oh my God, yo, Cardi B's here." So I kind of speed walk, but I feel her behind me. Then I hear her talking like, "Oh my God, Cardi B is here." So I turn around and she had her phone. She didn't have it here no more. Now she has it here. And I asked her, "Yo, why are you recording me?" And she clearly looked like the security. She looked like the security guard. She's uniformed down.
Fucking job.
And I'm like, "Why are you recording me? Are you security?" And she's like, "Oh my bad." But then I'm walking, and I feel her still following me. So like as I'm walking, speed walking, trying to look for the office, I turn around again, and I'm like, "Why are you following me?" She's like, "'Cause I can." It's like, "No, you can't. Why are you following me for?" It's like, ain't you supposed to be security?
Nah, this is me.
And she's like, "'Cause I can." It's like, "No, you can't." And she's like getting closer and closer. Like now she's like in front of me, where I can't even like really maneuver. And I'm like, "Ain't you supposed to be security? Like you grouped out, you recording me. You're recording me, now you following me. Like back up." And she's like, "I can do what I want." It's like, "No, you can. Like you can't do what you want." And that's when we started arguing.
That's what she said. Say what you said.
I was like, you can't do what you want. Like, what are you talking about? Like, it's like you invading my privacy.
That's why the lawyer said, say what you said.
Now
The
we're
lawyer
like
wanted to say that shit.
chest to chest practically. So I keep telling her like, you need to back up. And I'm thinking to myself like, this girl's big. She's big. She got big black boots on. And I'm like,
yeah.
Start talking that hot shit.
Start talking that hot shit to her.
now she's literally right in my face, like
All types
on
of
my chest.
motherfuckers.
I keep telling her to back up.
Big you is.
She's not
Get off
backing
my
up.
face.
And we arguing, cursing at each other. I did call her the B word. I did call her a bitch. My face. I did.
Yes, bitch.
My face. You're in my face. You're screaming in my face. We're like literally riding. We're literally
Why you
screaming
up
at
on her
each
anyway
other.
At this point?
And
After that,
she
you
kept
backed off.
telling me like, "You gonna leave my building?"
She should have got
I'm
her
not
ass on the
leaving.
elevator like she was
Like, how you
doing a
harassing me?
good
I'm
job.
not leaving. And you telling me, how you telling me to leave? I came to see a doctor. You following me. You're recording me. I'm just trying to check my cat. You're recording me. And we're arguing. That's when the receptionist came out. She started wilding out like, this hit me. And I'm like, I did not hit her. I'm looking at her like, girl, I can't even hit you if I want to. You're bigger than me and you're pregnant. And she just started wilding out like, this hit me. Then the doctor came out and he's like, go to my office. And after that, I just walk away. And that's just that.
Are you aware in the city of Beverly Hills, if a security guard tells you to leave the building, which they are security of, you would be required to do that? Do you agree with that?
Objection to relevance.
A security not supposed to.
Chill, sustain. Cardi,
Chill out, baby. Yeah, chill out, baby.
she did the one thing that none of these people did the whole case, and that's explain what happened
Right,
in the
exactly
beef,
what
in the
happened.
moment. She gave us the whole thing.
You need the
And
potatoes
she
right
had to
here.
remember, recollect, and bring it back to us like she relived it in the moment of telling the story.
You feel me? She walked me down.
She walked me down. Now I can't move.
You feel me? Back me up. What y'all want me to do? Get your big ass back, you Amazon.
Got your big back boots on. Get out of here. This girl.
Did Miss Emani Ellis tell you that you're causing a disturbance in the building?
No. She was causing a disturbance. She's recording me and following me.
Let's talk about that.
Let's talk about
Are
that.
people allowed to record you if they want to in a public place, which will be the building that you're at?
Ain't nothing.
Objection calls for a legal conclusion. Mischaracterizes. Sorry.
Do you know
Sustain.
if it's okay for someone to videotape?
They get a wild out.
Objection calls for a legal conclusion.
She's
When she videotaped
every
you,
question.
Or maybe she didn't. What proof do you have that she was videotaping you?
She had her phone run from here to right here. And she said, like, yo, Cardi B, like, I seen her. I turned around and I seen it. I seen it with my own eyes.
Did you ever see the actual video recording of you on her phone? Yes or no?
No.
Could it be possible that she was recording you? She was simply holding her phone in front of you. Is that possible?
Objection
Yes or no?
calls for speculation.
What proof do you have that you were
Plain
being
to be
recorded
livable.
by Emani Ellis on February 24, 2018, aside from what you just told us?
Objection.
Do you have any other proof?
Objection asked and answered.
Sustain.
You ain't gotta answer nothing, baby girl. Easy,
Nothing.
You usually wear your nails longer than what they are today.
Put my man.
And went back to the nails.
Sometimes, most of the times, yes, and
Talking in
some of the
circles.
times, no.
Most of the time, 90% of the time.
Lately, as in so far, I'll say about, in the past year,
You playing with
I'll
this
say
girl.
about 70.
70% of
Yes.
the time. And when you wear them long, would you agree that they're about 3 inches long?
No, not all the time, no.
2 inches or more?
So
It really depends.
why don't we focus? She said in the last year.
Thank you, Your
How
Honor.
long she
Where's
has
the
her
lawyer
nails in
at?
last year as well.
Now the
And
judge
when
been over
you
your
had
ass.
them in 2008, 2018, you also wore them long at that time too, correct?
I wore them long, but it really depends on the inches.
How long were your nails on February 24th, 2018 when you were at the building speaking or arguing
She
or
gonna
whatever you
remember
were
that.
doing with Emani Ellis?
They were 1 inch. They were square, coffin squared,
Yes, she do.
and they had flat rhinestones.
Are rhinestones sharp?
Been lost.
No, not if they're flat. And they weren't 3D, they were flat.
With the nails you have on right now, do you think that these nails are sharper or the ones that you had on the date of the incident?
I believe that they were not sharp that day. They were square. And sometimes, like, when it's acrylic and it's square, it's like a texture. And I always tell this to my nail tech, make sure that like you shape, like when you shape them, don't make them sharp on the side, or don't make them that sharp, because I don't wanna hurt myself. I don't wanna hurt nobody. I just, you know what I'm saying?
And
Wash
in the
my hands.
past, when you had them sharp, you did hurt yourself, correct?
I never really hurt myself, but like just in case, I just be like, don't make them too pointy, because I just don't want them to be uncomfortable. Not pointy, but it's like a certain type of sharp that you just don't want.
And
He don't know
if
nothing
you
about
wanted to
this.
scratch or cut Miss Emani Ellis' face,
Mm-hmm.
you could have done it with both of your hands, either one or both, correct?
Objection calls for speculation.
Overall,
I'm not saying you did that right now. I'm asking you a different question. Did you understand my question?
I mean, how would I fight? How would I fight somebody? I am mostly left-handed, so if I was to like do anything mostly, I'll do it mostly with the left hand. I'm really
They
like,
scratched her right side of her
You're good at
face,
fighting with
not
your
her
left
left
hand.
side.
Objection is characterized as a testimony.
Are you good at fighting with your left hand?
Objection like
What is this dude on? Can you throw hands? Are you known for throwing them things? We watched you on Love
Do
and
you
Hip
have
Hop.
any experience fighting with, martial arts experience?
Bro,
Or
get
other
the fuck-
kind of experience to defend
Judge.
yourself should something occur in your life?
objection overall.
You have any martial arts?
not really, no.
So any
black
type
belt,
of
Cardi.
fighting that
You been training?
You
Like you
really
prayed
do.
it.
You know that shit, Cardi.
it would just be freestyle from your own knowledge of fighting, correct?
That's a freestyle style of fighting. I'm about to go try
If you
to pass
wanted
the
to
bar.
fight with someone,
No,
This
you
lawyer
your
shit
left
is
hand,
looking
your right
mad
hand.
easy.
real easy.
Objection asked and answered.
Action answer. He just going in circles now. He lost already. He just trying to figure out how can I get these
When
old
you,
questions in, saying it a different way.
enter a building, such as this building or any building, oftentimes you will see that there's a security guard or a police officer or a sheriff guarding the building, correct? You saw that today here in the courthouse, didn't you?
Yes.
Yes.
There's some water, man. He asking all them questions.
And on the date of the incident, the security guard, police officer, or person securing that building, in your mind, when you saw Emani Ellis was in fact Emani Ellis. In your mind, when you got off the elevator, Emani Ellis was in your mind, your state of mind was that she was a security guard, correct?
Objection.
I think she's answered.
She's answering. The judge is not giving her
And-
time. Cardi.
Was there any doubt in your mind that she was a security guard?
There was no doubt in my mind that she was a security guard. She had the security guard outfit on. That's why I was so confused that she was so aggressive, and she's supposed to protect me, the patient.
I understand.
You don't
Call-
understand.
If
Don't
Emani
understand.
Ellis had in fact told you to leave the building, would you have listened because she was a security guard?
Objection is a complete hypothetical, irrelevant explanation.
Did Miss Emani Ellis tell you to leave the building at any point during your verbal or physical altercation on February 24th,
I don't
2018?
remember.
She told me, "You gonna leave my building. You gonna leave my building."
Are you aware that
That's
Emani
true.
Ellis was hired by the
Telling the
owner
truth.
of that building and had the right to tell you to leave?
Objection, calls for legal conclusion, Waxman.
Sustained.
Man,
When Emani Ellis told you to leave the building, did you follow her command?
Objection. Relevance, Lexington Foundation.
You can answer.
yo,
No, she wasn't acting like a security guard.
But she was a security guard.
Objection, use our.
The security guard tried to attack patients.
chill, Cardi.
She ready to
She ready to pop off.
She ready to pop off.
Don't let them see that side of that New York.
Fuck that. They know what it is.
Did you believe
But
in
we're not about to let
Them
him pull
ass-
that out.
them ass questions
We're
in
not
my
about to let
face.
him pull that out of her.
Yeah, but you keep asking these dumb
Keep
ass
your
questions in my face, bro.
decorum and don't get ghetto on that nigga. Let's take the place for this. We know how she
Pushing-
really
pushing-
is.
Pushing the buttons.
We
man.
all know.
Motherfucker
He trying
pushing
to
the
push
buttons,
hard.
man. Come on, bro.
Bro,
Stop
just
playing
do
with
he
me.
playing with her?
Like, how you playing
Just
with
do
me?
it enough times and it might come out.
Yeah.
That might be his plan.
Even
Look
if
how
that,
she
even
get
if
when she
that,
get upset.
even if that 1 + 1 = 2, it don't matter. If she told
Don't
me to get
matter.
out her face, go
Yeah.
do your job, go do your job.
Facts.
I got off the elevator, you supposed to get on.
You supposed to get. You was
Now
going
turn around
somewhere
and come
else.
follow
Not,
me.
where was you going? You
What
wasn't
we
coming
talking
back this
about?
way until I came this way.
What are we talking
What
about?
are we talking about?
No,
If you thought she was a police officer, would you have handled the situation the same way?
Objection, incomplete hypothetical.
Sustained. Let's just focus on what
What
happened.
is your
Judge, moving on,
relevancy?
Judge.
Now, when Emani Ellis spoke with you, when you exited the elevator, she spoke with you directly
That's probably
outside
what's fucking with him.
the elevator,
Keep looking at this pretty bitch up
the
there.
area directly outside the elevators, correct?
I don't believe she got inside the elevator. I don't believe she did.
That's my question is, did whatever happened between the two of you, did it happen inside the elevator, at the point of entry, or outside the elevator?
Outside the elevator and down the hallway.
And when Miss Ellis was asked the same question, do you remember her saying that it happened outside of the elevator as well? Do you agree with her testimony?
It wasn't in front of the elevator anymore because I was walking and she was following me. So it wasn't in front of the elevator. It was outside the elevator because I already got off the elevator. I don't think she ever went inside the elevator because I felt her as soon as I'm walking. I felt her walking right behind me, and then she said something. She said, "Oh my God, Cardi B!" That's when I turned around, and she got the camera right here, like she recorded me, and I'm like, "Yo, why you recording me?" And she practically did admit that she recorded me because she said, "Oh my bad." So
And when she said, "Oh wow, it's Cardi B," or whatever you just said right now, when she said that, was that offensive to you?
it wasn't offensive. I just kept power walking so I could avoid more contact. But she just kept following me.
And isn't it true that sometimes when you're walking around, different people will say, "Oh wow, it's Cardi B,"
Yeah,
because they get excited.
yeah.
And you had experienced that many times before you had that experience with
So?
Emani Ellis, correct?
Yes.
And the reason you didn't like it from her is because she was a security guard, and you felt it was unprofessional for her to say that to you. Isn't that true?
When she first said it, I didn't tell her nothing. I kept walking.
Why couldn't she say it? Why?
I never said she couldn't.
Okay. And she said it to you.
She said it to me, and I kept walking.
What if she was not a security guard, and she was just a random human, and said, "Oh wow, it's Cardi B"? Would you have taken offense to that?
Objection,
No,
argumentative.
You can answer.
I didn't even feel offended when she first said it. I felt offended when she kept following me. She recorded me, and you're supposed to be a security. You're not supposed to be recording patients going to any doctor, any.
Right. Again,
That's what offended me. When
Right.
she first said, "Oh my God, it's Cardi B," I just kept power walking and didn't say nothing. I said something the second time she said it, and I turned around and I saw that she was recording me. And I'm like, "Yo, why are you recording me? Ain't you supposed to be security?" And she said, "Oh my bad." Then she kept
Moral of the
following me,
story,
and now I'm
she
getting
got
annoyed.
fanned
It's
out. Tried to be all up in
I'm
Cardi's
like,
face.
you're the
Cardi
security
cussing her.
guard of the
Get your
building.
fat ass out of here.
no
question.
All right, counsel, I think that might be.
Alright, y'all, that was day 2. Now we on day 3. This lawyer is wild and he's still questioning Cardi. She didn't flip the wig on him. Not once, not twice. But it's the
3
third.
times. 3 times.
So we're gonna get into this. Like, comment, subscribe. It's Compton Titles W3M. We're gonna get into the video.
This lawyer out of here.
We gotta go. Cardi!
He easily won a Cardi case.
So, when we were discussing yesterday at the end, we were talking about the issue where you testified that Miss Ellis was recording you with her cell phone. You remember that? Okay. Do you know what type of cell phone she was using at the time?
I'm not quite sure. I just remember it was square.
What color was the cell phone?
It had a case. It definitely had a case. But I'm
Come
not
back to the
sure.
nails.
I'm talking about cell phone.
Do you know if the type of phone that she was using when she was recording you, would a light go on or would some kind of noise?
It didn't have a light. It didn't have a light.
So if the cell phone was facing Miss Ellis, I'm assuming it was. Well, let me ask you that. Was the cell phone that you're talking about, was it facing you or was it facing Miss Ellis?
The camera was facing me. When I got off the elevator, her phone was here. Then when I was walking and she was behind me, and then she said, "Oh my God, y'all, Cardi B, Cardi B." I looked back and the camera was like right there, like practically on her chest type stuff. I'm like, "Yo, why are you recording me?"
Okay. And you've seen like, you know, police officers where they have a camera on their
She said,
on the front of them. Have you ever seen that where a police officer will have
This is
that?
not a
I never seen that, but that was her phone, not a camera.
I understand, but I'm saying, have you ever seen a security officer, a police officer have a special camera on their chest which records what occurs in front of them?
right, relevancy.
I'm not saying she was recording you. I am asking you this question. If she was recording you, why does it matter?
Because she's a security guard and I'm going to a doctor's office. It definitely mattered.
You were causing a disturbance. Maybe
I
she
wasn't
wanted to
causing a
record you.
disturbance.
coming straight into the building.
Let's not talk over each other, number one. Wait for him to finish
Sorry.
asking the question before you answer.
Do you own the building of 8920 Wilshire Boulevard?
No, I was walking to a doctor's office.
Do you agree that you were a guest in that building? You were a
Yes.
visitor, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
First of all, watch your tone. Somebody better tell this man.
You seen
Watch
it?
how you
seen
talking
it?
to her.
You seen it?
Watch how you talking to her.
Yo, because first of all, I wasn't no guest. I wasn't none of that. I was a patient. I was a
wrong
patient,
with
and
you?
your security was recording me walking to my doctor's office,
Period.
where I shouldn't be
I
recorded.
shouldn't be
This
having.
is
She's not a
something person.
regular person, civilian. She's a
You know what I'm saying?
worker. She's on the clock.
And this is a hospital. This is
When a security officer tells you to leave, are you supposed to leave?
Objection.
Yes or no?
Sustained its answer.
Yes, I know.
We covered this yesterday.
You were causing a disturbance in the building.
She started the disturbance.
Did you
I'm
also?
sorry, ma'am, if you have an objection, please wait.
Oh, sorry.
She ready to go in.
Okay,
That should.
withdrawn.
Do you remember yesterday you said that there was a verbal altercation between the two of you? You remember that?
Yes.
Okay. And an altercation is a fight, isn't it? It's a verbal fight. You had a verbal fight with her.
Asked and answered.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sustained.
You used the F word during that fight, didn't you?
Yes.
What other words did you use? Tell us in your own words what you said.
I said, on my face. Why are you in my face? Why are you recording me? Ain't you supposed to be security?
Tell it to
Why?
her now. Go ahead.
Huh?
Say it again. Say it.
Objection, Your Honor.
Say
You
it
want me
to
to
her.
say it to
I
her
want
face?
you to tell it to her face what you said on that day so she can hear it for
The
herself
objection
again.
is sustained.
Watch
What
your
is up with this
motherfucking tone.
What is up with this guy?
Why is he talking crazy
Bro,
though?
get him the fuck out of here.
Say it to her.
Bro.
Don't say it to me. Say it to her face like you did it that day. What? So your client is so traumatized that you will put her back through that?
Do it again.
This nigga's wild. Bugged out. Look at her face. She like, dude,
Like,
what are you talking about? What are we talking
Look
about
at
right
your
now?
face.
Your Honor, do we have civility? in the
Yes,
room?
She's looking
why
around like, y'all
why
going
don't
for
we
this?
just take the temperature down a little bit? If you have actual questions to ask her, please do
Tone
so.
it down.
It's not the time to
Just a
argue
little
with her.
bit.
Don't argue with her.
What were the words that you used when you got off the elevator to this security guard who is no longer security guard at this time?
Objection to argumentative and also covered yesterday.
It's been covered several times, so it's asking.
Look, I said you asking the same shit 5-7 times, bro. Come on, man.
What did you tell Emani Ellis yesterday?
Counsel, you need one.
What were you holding in your hand at the time when you got off the elevator?
Objection. What's your argument?
Argumentative, overruled.
Nothing, correct? You weren't holding anything, were you?
No.
You had both of your hands free to do whatever you wanted to do, correct? Yes or no?
Objection, no limits.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And if you wanted to scratch or cut her face with your right hand or your left hand, if you wanted to do it, you could have done it, correct?
But
You're
I
not
didn't.
disabled.
But I
right?
didn't because I had a baby inside me.
How did she know?
Hang on. Let's slow down the pace just a little bit before
Listen to the objection is Cardi.
for the court reporter. What was the objection?
Argumentative, relevance,
Overruled.
and again, I would ask that counsel lower his voice. This isn't.
So, Your Honor, I was told yesterday that my voice was too low by others, so that's why it's a little bit higher today, so that everybody can hear what I can say, as well as the witness.
I think there's a difference between volume and tone. I think the volume is fine.
Right. Tone down.
There's a
how you
difference
talk.
between your volume and your goddamn tone.
And
Watch how you speak to me, dude.
FYI, the world, y'all need to pay attention to that.
What's wrong with him? Like,
Word.
watch how you speak to people.
Word.
It's a way you talk to a person. You can be la da da. But if I'm talking to you like
Watch how
this,
you talk.
now I feel like you're trying to be aggressive with me.
It's the tone.
Come on, man.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Out there.
Yes,
I will
man.
try to do
Come
my
back.
best.
Trying to
to
pull
tone
it
it
out
down.
of her.
Hey.
You want to fight with
So,
me, pull it
again,
out,
I
show
will
the
ask
ghetto.
you to tell us and admit to this fact that you are not disabled, correct?
I'm not what?
Are you disabled?
At that moment, no.
No. Are you disabled?
Overruled.
Are you disabled? Yes or no?
At that moment, when you're pregnant, I'm very disabled. You want me to tell you the things I can't do?
Fine. What was your disability?
Why you in here playing with her, dude?
What was your disability?
Stop playing with her, dude.
You got everybody there laughing with it.
You
Come
feel
on.
me? It's over. She been had him.
This guy is a joke.
Right here. The palm of fucking heads. It's over for this dude.
I was pregnant. I couldn't protect myself, even if I wanted to. She's like twice my
No
size.
problem, no problem. Let me ask you this. How
Counsel,
many
you
months
asked the
pregnant
question,
were
you
you?
need to wait for the answer.
Okay.
You done, man?
Size.
How many months pregnant were you?
I was around 13 to 12 weeks.
Months? 4 months? 3 months?
Like,
3 to 4 months. Fair enough?
5 to 4, man.
Did you have a bulging belly?
No, I didn't.
Did Miss Emani Ellis know that you were pregnant?
Objection, cultural speculation.
What does
Do
it
you
matter?
do you know if Emani Ellis knew that you were pregnant when you walked out of that elevator?
No, I didn't know. But she knows that I'm a patient. When you're a patient to go see a medical anything, you shouldn't even try to fight nobody.
Now
You
this
don't know
you
what,
get
what,
around
what
that.
disability they have.
Okay.
Period.
Now let me ask you this question. When you say you were disabled, were you disabled in your upper extremity, your arms? Were your arms disabled? The reason I'm asking is I want to make it very clear for everybody
You go on there
that
like this.
your arms can go up and down,
Take my strong
and they
hand.
could go up and down now, and they could go up and down on that day as well. You agree to this?
Objection, argumentative, asked and answered in a different way.
You
And,
just asked it in a different way.
I guess that's fine.
I'll let, you can answer this once. Please don't ask it again.
Is my arms were disabled? No, my arms weren't disabled. No.
Can you raise your arms up? Now?
Objection, Your Honor.
You raised your arm.
You don't have to do it physically. I'm saying, are you able to do it?
Yes.
And on that day, you were able to do it as well, correct?
If I wanted to, yes.
Bro, where are we going with this?
You were able to use your arms and go like this.
Aside from your disability of being 3 to 4 months pregnant, did you have any other disabilities?
No. No.
Do you have a disabled placard? Are you legally disabled in any way?
Why don't you move on, Counsel?
Move on, counsel. Thank you, judge.
Judge, do your job.
And the hoodie that you
Doing
had on,
Cardi's team
what
job.
color was it? Was it black, white, yellow, purple, pink?
I really don't remember. I really don't remember.
And was the hoodie over your head, or
Yeah.
no? You wore it for what reason over your head? To protect your identity?
It could be very. I don't really want people to recognize me. My hair not done, my makeup not done. I probably just woke up.
Eyes. She playing. Look,
And when you went there in the afternoon at
they
1:30
both was
p.m.,
coming
had
in.
you just woken up at that moment? Or shortly before 1:30 p.m.
It's
on a
hilarious.
Saturday?
Sister,
More dumb shit.
When you went to the building at 1:30 p.m., were you fasting or you had eaten something before you went to see the doctor?
sister,
You want the world's best interview. My man is.
Now, when you saw Miss Emani Ellis and you got out of the elevator, not asking who did what, I'm asking was there any contact between you and her of any kind? What that means is fingers to fingers, shoes to shoes, knees to knees, any contact between you and Emani Ellis of any kind. Was there? Yes or no?
No,
So she didn't touch you, correct?
no.
So if somebody comes here and testifies that she did do something to you physically, you disagree with that testimony, or you will, correct?
She didn't touch me.
Okay.
She didn't get to touch me. No. She was going to touch me, but she didn't get to touch
When you
me
say she was going to touch you, how do you know that? You
because
assume?
we were chest to chest at one point.
So then your chest did touch, right?
I'll say that, but you did say when I got off the elevator,
Okay. Let's-
we walked a little bit. That's when we got chest to chest. When we got off the elevator, we didn't do no contact.
I understand. So here's how we're going to do
Do
this.
you
The
understand?
date of the incident is February 24th
This is your
of 2018.
question.
You agree?
Yes.
Now I'm going to talk to you about the whole day. Not just the minute you got off the elevator. When I say the whole day,
Hey,
from the moment you got off the elevator, you saw Emani Ellis, you had your fight with her, whether it was verbal or not. At some point, she went away, and you went away. During that segment of time of your life, which was how many minutes in your opinion? 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute?
It was probably like a minute 45. So quick. It was really quick.
Perfect. So from during the 1 minute and 45 seconds,
this guy.
No, I didn't say 1 minute
you know,
45
we haven't had a question yet. Please phrase one that's intelligible.
during the few minutes or 1 minute or whatever minutes it was that you were with Emani Ellis, during that period of time of your life and her life, during that segment, just told us now, during that time period, at some point, you were chest to chest. You agree?
Yes.
There was physical contact between her chest and your chest, correct?
Yes.
Now, when you had the chest-to-chest contact, at that moment, were you angry?
I was mostly nervous.
Were you angry?
Yes, I was angry.
How angry were you?
Depends on the level of angry, to be honest with you.
Let's talk about the levels. I'm going to go from a scale of 1 to 10. On the scale of 1 to 10, what was the level of your anger
Angry enough to
when
put
you
your
were
hands
chest
on
to
her.
chest
Say
with
that.
this
Just get to
person
it.
on the date of the incident? You were at a high level of anger when you were chest to chest with her, correct?
Objection, argumentative.
Overruled.
I don't think I was like on a high level of angry. I was more on a high level of concern. Very concerned.
And why were you concerned?
Because I'm pregnant and this girl's about to beat my. Hello?
Hello. Hello, I'm here. So, she was going
Hey,
to...
yo, hold on. Hold on, not my man. Hello.
Hello, I'm here.
Hello, I'm here.
You don't
You
understand
fucking not
the
here, bro.
reference.
You're bro.
It's so over your
Way
head.
over his head, bro. Way over his head.
Oh my God.
Like just testify. What did she do to to have you believe that she was going to beat you. What did she do?
She was on my face, chest to chest, and while we arguing, she's backing me. So we practically arguing, and I'm backing, and she's like walking forward.
Right. And she's, you said she's bigger than you? Is that correct?
Absolutely.
How do you know that?
I mean, look.
She got combat boots on, security.
What is your basis? Are you saying she's physically bigger? She's taller?
I mean, you have her medical records,
I don't
right?
have anything. I'm asking you the question.
I mean, I was 130 pounds at that time.
So she's overweight, right? In your opinion.
He was trying to get to the point you fat shamed her. Just say you did. I called her all kind of fat bitches. Cause she in my face not doing her job. Yeah, I said it. And what?
No, it's sustained.
She's a little.
You don't need to.
Sustained, Cardi. Don't say she a fat.
Did you make fun of her that she was overweight when you were there in the hallway?
I don't think so.
Did you call her fat?
No, I was calling her.
That's a lie.
Yes.
Do you think that's respectful to call a security guard a bitch?
Objection.
Sustained.
Is that how you talk to everybody?
Objection.
Sustained.
Now, you said you felt, I don't know the words, let's go back to it. Did you feel scared, threatened, afraid at the moment your chest was touching?
Absolutely.
You were scared?
Absolutely.
And you had your cell phone on you, right?
I did, but she's in my face.
That's fine.
Just focus on the question and just answer.
Did you use your cell phone to call Karan Newton, your security guard, who was downstairs, or the police?
Objection.
Did you call anybody for help?
Overruled.
When I got inside the doctor's office and I said like on the little bed thing, I told him, yo, you wouldn't even believe what just happened. Meet me downstairs when I leave. I'm gonna call you when I leave.
If you were really scared and really afraid, isn't it true that you could have called your security guard to come upstairs and help you? Or you could have called the police. That was a possibility because you had your phone in your hand, correct?
Objection.
I
Compound
already said once the argument was over, she didn't care no more.
Sustained.
You had your phone in your pocket on the date of the incident?
Objection. Elements.
Can we agree that you didn't call your security guard to help you after the incident, correct? To help you. You did call him, but you didn't call him to come
That's
upstairs.
like
I
counseling.
apologize. I thought it said mischaracterized the testimony.
Overruled.
You know.
I didn't call him to help me. It was already done. It was done.
Okay, now let's talk about the fingernails. Okay? Fingernails.
Something new?
Thank you, Judge.
Well, I want to show you
Something new.
a couple of things about the fingernails. So, this side of the ruler, okay, is 2 centimeters.
He went got a
Can you
ruler.
bring it closer? Can you see it from
He
there?
said, day 2, I wasn't prepared.
Oh my
Day 2, I wasn't prepared for the nails. You had me with that shit you said. Now I got a ruler.
I got a ruler.
Let's test your nails right now. Just losing.
I'm sorry.
He's losing.
2 centimeters. You know the size of 2 centimeters? How big it is?
Ask and answer.
I have a
Cardi, you asked and answered.
I have like an understanding of how it would be. Yeah.
2 centimeters is a little bit less than an inch. Okay? Now, Miss Emani Ellis had a scar to her face of 2 centimeters long, and she received plastic surgery for that. And my question to you
Good
is,
comparison.
did you at any time
That was the first time he did a good job. I'm gonna give a spade a spade. He lined up the nail shit, even though it's whack and it's not even gonna go nowhere.
Weak, bro.
It's weak,
That's weak.
but he finally
You
put
don't
a
get
piece
you
of
don't-
something
what
together.
piece?
Just the fact that the nails is that amount
So
of inches
somehow
and the amount
the
of inches on her
exact
face.
is the exact size of my nail. If I'm scratching you, I'm scratching you.
Hey,
It's
I'm not
coming
saying
down.
that's a good
It's
argument.
coming down, so
I'm
it's
saying
gonna
he
be
finally
longer
pieced
length.
something together.
I'm gonna reach for the stars, man.
It's a reach. Dot.
Way out.
Time,
Fuck.
see a scar on Miss Emani Ellis's face, or a cut, or a scrape, at any time during the time of the incident.
So my nail
No.
actually, I placed it
And
right
she couldn't
there,
get a scratch from me because I didn't touch her.
I understand that's what you're saying. I get it. Did you look at Miss Emani Ellis's left cheek at any time during the incident? Did you specifically look for that because you thought there might be a scar on her face? Or did you not look?
Compound and
Sustained.
Did you look at Miss Emani Ellis's face when you were arguing with her at the time of the incident?
I was looking at her face, but I wasn't looking like.
You know what I'm saying? We
She got a
chest to
pimple on her
chest.
face? She got a, no, I wasn't looking at her details or anything.
Were your eyes like the same level, or did she look taller? Did she look shorter? What is your recollection?
We was face to face, so she's practically like my height, or just a much taller, but she was practically my height. But she is like,
What? Say it.
Just say it.
security heavy.
What does security
It's a nice
mean?
way of saying
Just tell us.
you're a fat bitch. Say
What
it.
does that mean?
Say what
Like
you
she
say.
just looks a little.
on the
Like
heavy
she could
side.
protect the building.
She can
Type
protect the
bitch.
building.
You know what I'm saying? She just look more developed than me.
And aren't security guards to be more developed than you?
I just feel like a Fort Tough.
At any time,
You
tell
have to
Miss
say
Emani
time.
Ellis that you were pregnant.
No.
That building, you agree, is not Cedars-Sinai Hospital, correct?
objection, my submission. Also, this is covered.
I withdraw the
No,
motion.
just asking us.
The building you were in was a medical building, correct?
Yes.
But it wasn't a hospital.
No.
Was it a hospital?
No.
And there's all type of different tenants that are in the building, right?
Objection, my submission.
Sustained.
Do you know if there were other tenants that had offices in that building?
Objection, all this.
Sustained.
You were on the 5th floor, correct?
Yes.
And when you were walking down the hall, there were other doors there, correct? It wasn't just Dr. Finke. There was other different offices there, correct?
Objection, relevant.
Sustained.
The judge is tired of saying shit. You hear it in his voice?
When you were getting angry, did you believe that your anger would harm your baby?
Objection, relevant.
Sustained.
When you went to see Dr. Finke, did you tell him, I got so angry right now, something happened, whatever you told, is it harmful to my baby? Did you ask him?
Objection.
Sustained. Counseling everything in
Yo, everything shot down. Like, what are you doing?
Earlier, well, I'll withdraw that. Did you
Before he even gets
post
started, you pull it back.
anything about the incident of February 24th, 2018 on the internet?
Objection, relevant.
I think I said something because around that time she did went live and said something, and my fans caught it, and she was just practically saying like all of these lies about me and stuff like that, and I was like, I did not touch that girl at all. I never really got into details about it. I just.
And when she was posting things, she was telling other people that you assaulted her or hit her or did something physical, correct?
Objection, relevant.
Yes.
And then you replied and posted things as well, correct?
Yes.
Do you remember what you posted?
It was. I don't think I posted something. I'm not even sure if it was a comment or like if I did like a live or something. It had to be quick. I was like, that's a lie. here trying to get some money.
What was that?
I said, that's a lie. Fuck out of here. Just trying to get some money.
Who's trying to get some money?
She is.
How do you know that?
Because she sued me for $24 million.
Did you sue her?
No.
Could you have sued her?
Objection,
She
relevant.
wants 24 million. This is just a French lawyer. Said it came to cost me.
Did you ever apologize on those internet or emails or whatever you posted? Did you ever on the posts apologize for anything that you did that day?
Objection, relevant.
Sustained.
Argumentative.
Do you feel by using all those words you should have apologized?
Objection, relevant.
Sustained.
This fanboy question.
Are you aware that your security guard spoke to Emani Ellis in the lobby shortly
That's an
after this?
answer.
Are you aware of that?
Explanation.
Over.
I'm not aware of that. He didn't tell me he talked to her.
Are you aware that your security guard, Karan Newton, on the day of the incident, apologized to Miss Ellis on your behalf?
Objection.
Sustained.
Did your security guard tell you that he apologized to Miss Ellis on your behalf at any time?
Objection. Asked and answered. Argumentative. Explanation.
Sustained.
Have you ever been assaulted and battered in your life?
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Have you ever been abused in your life?
Counsel, if you're out of questions, you can ask questions.
If you're out of questions,
Did you know that by your actions you took away the feeling of safety for Emani Ellis?
All right. Counsel,
Yes, Your
are
Honor.
you done?
I have a few more questions.
are you done?
Have to be backstage.
Yes, sir. And do you agree that this incident, which we're talking about and why we're all here today, is occurred 7.5 years ago? Are you aware of that?
Yes.
Okay, and that's 2,741 days ago,
Objection.
based on my math.
Relevant, Your Honor.
Sustained.
How do you remember all of these details that you gave us from 2,741 days ago?
Objection.
She lived it.
Over.
You can answer.
She was there. It happened to her.
I mean, I remember like the basics. I don't remember like the whole. I remember the basics. Like it was, but it's not really much to remember. It was a in and out
Okay.
thing.
Have you ever used your nails to scratch yourself? Like if you get a bug bite? Have you ever done that before?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevant.
Sustained.
Just say, can your nails be used as weapons? Now we get into that question that could be answered.
Did you have any jewelry on you at the time of the incident, whether it was on your hands or your neck?
Objection. Asked and answered.
That's our argument that she gets.
When you were in the hallway, did you block Miss Ellis from leaving? Even if it was for 1 second.
No.
Did she block you from leaving?
Yes. She blocked me from moving. She wasn't right in my face. She was right in my face.
Okay. And when you were standing there, were you facing Dr. Finke's office or a different side? Do you understand the question?
Objection. Negative.
I withdraw the question. When this happened, did you start to move around in a circle, or were you standing physically the same spot the whole time?
Objection. Asked and answered. I think you covered it.
Sustained.
When you say that she was blocking you, were you facing towards Dr. Finke's office? Yes?
Objection. Asked and answered.
Sustained.
We have no more questions.
Karan Newton, how long was he your security guard as of the date of the incident? For how long?
Sustained.
Tom, Jersey. Jersey, that nigga said. way too long.
Would you
It's
consider
over.
yourself a peaceful person?
Get him out of here.
Sustained.
Hey, bro, come on, man.
And after you saw Dr. Finke, you spent about 15 minutes with him, you left the building, correct?
Yes.
When you left the building, did you see Emani Ellis as you were exiting?
No.
Did you see your security guard downstairs?
Yes.
And he was in the lobby area waiting for you?
That's the answer.
Sustained.
Okay. And when you left the building, you went to the parking lot, or was the car waiting for you outside?
Oh my God, did you take pictures when you left? Was the fans there? Did you go get a burger and fry? Like, what? Just ask any old dumbass thing at this point.
Aside from Tiara Malcolm and Dr. Finke and Emani Ellis, who were in that hallway, were there any other people there?
No.
Did any other doctors come up to that floor?
No.
You're sure?
Absolutely.
How are you sure?
Objection.
Sustained.
When you were in the 5th floor, did anybody come from the stairwell up to hear what happened?
Objection.
If you know. Do you know if anyone did?
I apologize. I thought you were done.
I'll withdraw it. I will ask it differently. When you were up there outside the hallway with Emani Ellis, did you see anyone else, whether it was a security guard, another doctor, or someone else, come up from the stairwell, which was close to the elevator area?
Objection. Ask and answer.
Sustained.
Bad day for him.
Bad
I
days.
didn't think it'd get no worse, though.
I forgot to ask you one thing about when you were chest to chest. Did you ever touch Emani Ellis's face or nose with your finger?
No.
You never touched her nose like this?
No.
See, questions she can answer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Even if Cardi did the shit, she's winning because he's just that bad. The man is just terrible. Whose side you on with this?
I'm
Who
on
you
Cardi's
believe?
side.
You believe in Cardi? That was
I'm
clear.
on
It
Cardi's
was
side.
clear as Cardi.
I mean,
Didn't do this shit. She had the more relevant,
It's
clear
simple.
story. She was able to
it's
explain it.
simple. The security guard got fanned out. I told the bitch to get out my face. She did.
She didn't.
Back up. Man.
She did her Cardi shit. Ah, you dumbass bitch, you
feel me?
security.
And then I went in my office.
The doctor said, just get away from her.
Come on.
No hands, no blows
That's
were
it.
thrown. Because if the blows were thrown, you would have reported it initially. Because you're going to automatically think, oh,
What she
shit,
say? What she
I
say?
want that bag.
What she say? 2 months later, she started feeling anxiety and all this paranoia.
She went and
and
got
now she
surgery
tripping,
and
now
all
she
that
gets-
shit.
Yeah.
Plastic surgery on
You
her
ain't take no
face.
pictures the day after, the day of.
No, the doctor's office
Man.
ain't got no cameras in there. 2 witnesses ain't on your side coming into the court.
Now you scared to do your job.
Now you scared to do your
Now you
job.
scared to do your job.
You can't even work no more. You went and did some old child care stuff now. You onto that field. It's more safer. Could have never thought security was gonna be that easy. That you was gonna just not get cussed out by a person.
Oh,
It
she
could have had to
would.
been Cardi. Could have been just some random white lady.
You heard what Cardi said?
What?
She had her boots on.
She did have big back
She
boots.
had big back boots on.
She looked like she could protect the building.
You feel
She
me?
built like the.
Hold it down.
She did want a body shaver or the stand, but it's clear you want a body shaver. It's clear you did that day.
You was talking that hot shit.
You was talking that hot shit.
Talking that hot shit.
Just do what you do. And we ain't mad at you for it. Keep doing it, because she had no business, no place, no right to be in your personal space. And she's on the clock.
Right.
You're not doing your job right, lady. You're dead wrong. You want $24 million. Sit your ass down.
Way in the back somewhere. What the fuck is wrong?
Like, comment, subscribe. This is Couch Potatoes W3M. We're going to see y'all on the next one, man. We out.